Hello, and in today's video we are here at the Gidleigh Park Hotel here on Dartmoor National Park in Devon. We're in a fantastic room and we're going to show you around the room in great detail. It's their spa suite, and the clues in the name there a little bit as to what it includes, but we're going to show you around the room. We're also going to have dinner, so we'll show you what the dinner's like as well. And this hotel has fantastic views and outdoor space, so if the rain lets up for a little bit, we'll take you out there and show you around the estate as well as having breakfast tomorrow. So keep watching and let's go straight to the room and give you a tour. So here we are in the Dart Beach room here at Gidleigh Park on Dartmoor National Park in Devon. As we come in then, straight ahead you can see the bathroom area with a stunning bath. We'll take you in there in more detail in just a moment, but let's start on the right hand side. So we've just come in through the door. Check out the switches there. I love these old fashioned sort of switches there. And then there's a door here into your own little cloakroom with a toilet and sink. Nice decent sized sink there for washing your hands in. And then you've got some products there. So you've got some hand wash and some hand lotion. And then back out onto this corridor. And then what we'll do, we'll go to the bedroom first. But all the way down here you've got this wood panelling and some various pictures with picture lights above, all done to really high standard. And then on this side unit here, on this console table, there's some nice flowers there already. Everything in this hotel is done to really high standard. So this is Gidleigh Park in Dartmoor National Park down in Devon. We've got a few different videos for Devon hotels on the channel, so do check them out. And then right at this end of the corridor, there's a cupboard unit. And then just inside the cupboard, then this is where your in-room safe is. Some spare cushions or something by the looks of it, or blankets. And then there's a wooden unit there. Then as we come round, check out this absolutely fantastic bedroom. So this is the main guest bedroom. And say bedroom, it's got a huge sofa. Just take a look at this sofa, absolutely stunning. So we are actually here for a birthday, not quite a major milestone birthday, but that's next year, but here for a birthday, so it's a little bit of a special treat. We wouldn't usually spend the amount of money that we have on a room, but we thought why not, it's a birthday and we can also film it for you guys so you can see what this spa suite is like here at Gidleigh Park. I believe it's one of the most expensive rooms that they have here, and you can actually see why. But just check it out, absolutely stunning. So let's go around the room in a little bit more detail. So this is where we came in from the corridor. As you come here, you've got your bedside light on a nice little unit. And then next to that, you've got a selection of switches just there, turning off all the different lights as you go to bed. And then you've got two pillows each and some nice little cushions. Again, check out that headboard, really nice design on there. Love the wood panelling as well. And then a real large TV for watching whilst you're in bed. And then you've got this blanket chest down here with actually with drawers in it, so it's like a drawer unit. So you can put some of your things away there, and the nice top to it here so you can sit on it, put your shoes on, that sort of thing. On the right hand side then, another unit. One thing we have noticed on the bed is we've got a little friend here. I don't know if you can see, we got a little spider, but that's fine, we'll let him go outside shortly. But yeah, at the side of this bed we got a telephone, a little pad and pencil, another bedside light on a bigger unit just there. So no electric sockets by the looks of it at the side of the bed, so we'll have to charge our phones and things like that up elsewhere, which is not the end of the world. We're here just for the one night, I'm sure we can cope. So there, yeah, large TV just there. drawers beneath. Once we're down here as well, look at the carpet, really like it, nice pattern there as well. And check out that view, we'll have a look at that again in more detail. And then over here you've got this really nice big mirror, and then beneath you've got the fireplace, and then round here you've got your desk with doubles up as a dressing table and a work desk. So you've got your 2 mirrors there for doing your makeup, your hair, whatever it is that you would like to do. And then you've got some wipes just there. Real nice picture up there. Another lamp. And then you've got the key here. Nice big key ring there. You're not going to lose that in a hurry. And then you've got your chair, a couple of drawers there, and then you've got a bin just beneath that desk. And then you've got these, I think you call it a pelmet above for the curtains, I'm not sure. And then you've got these curtains, which are really nice patterned, nice curtains there. And check out the radiator as well. It's like the proper old-fashioned sort of radiators. And it's toasty hot as well. And then you've got a real nice vase here. And whilst we're here, just look at these double doors that you got going out onto the balcony. It was raining when we got here a few minutes ago, about 20 minutes ago, but see if it's still raining or if it's dry now. So check out this view. So it is still raining, so we'll stay sheltered a little bit, but so we've got all this decking as part of the room, but more importantly, check out this view. Absolutely stunning. So you've got some croquet lawn just down there. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's like a little river down there as well. And then as you come around here, we've got the tennis court. And then you've got some gardens just down there. So hopefully in the morning it's going to be a little bit drier, we can only hope. And then we can go around and film some of it as well to show you. It's absolutely stunning place. To get here it was down a little track, which probably went on for probably about 1.5 miles, single track. But no, it was all very good. And then down here you've got your 2 lounges and a coffee table, and then dining table and 2 chairs just there. So let's head on back inside where it's dry. So as we come back in then, this large settee there, really big. And then here we've got some little free treats on this coffee table just here. So we've got some apples, and then what looks like some nice little chocolates. We'll give those a try in a little bit. And then you've got some Luscombe elderflower bubbly, so that looks good. And then you've got some drink, not sure what that is, could be gin or sherry or something. Again, I'll sort of give that a go. And then we've got a jug here of something, all very nice. Not sure what it is that's in there, probably just water actually. So we'll give that a go later as well. And we'll let you know what that's like. And then on the side here, next to the TV, it looks like a little radio. So you can put your music on. Maybe it's got Bluetooth so you can play your own. Again, we'll see what that's like later. But yeah, they absolutely finished this. Absolutely fantastic. Really good settee in this bedroom ultimately. So like a nice little suite. Now, the suite itself is called the Spa Suite. So the clue is in the name. It does come with its own little mini spa. So let's go into the bathroom after we've just had a quick look at what's in this. I'm assuming it's a wardrobe. Oh yeah, so up here in the wardrobe at the top, you've got an iron and a container for filling up the water in the iron. And then you've got a selection of hangers. And you've also got a shoe horn as well to help putting your shoes on. Right at the back there, there's a hairdryer as well. And then at the top, you've got your cushions for the outdoor chairs, which is really good. Quite often in these places, you'll get your chairs, but you don't always get your cushions. But they've done that here, they've thought of it for you. So that's fantastic. And then down here, some more items. Let's see what we've got. There's some electrical plug for something, and something else just there. We'll explore those afterwards. And then there's your fan down there for the warmer days, and ironing board there. I don't think we'll be needing that. It's currently about 11 degrees out on a Friday afternoon in April, towards the end of April. Hopefully the weather will start getting better here in the UK. So we're in the bathroom now. Just check out this bathroom. Again, we'll take a quick look around now and then we'll go around it in more detail. But let's start off with this bathtub. It is absolutely huge. This footage probably doesn't actually do it justice, but if we step back a little bit, you may start to get an idea for the size of it. So check out the size of those taps. It's like an oversized tap you have into a sink in your kitchen or something. Absolutely fantastic. And then you've got your floor towel down there and some soap and things like that for it. So really good. And the surround as well is absolutely stunning. And then this side you've got to step up into it as well, which is really good. So then over here then, you've got two side mirrors, the magnifying sort, and they light up. And then you've got this really big mirror above. And then you've got this huge sink. Just lately we've seemed to be going to hotels where they have absolutely humongous sinks. And you've got lots of taps, probably needed as well to fill a sink of this size up in any sort of time. And again, finished off with this really nice surface area. Really impressive. So that's a sink. And then look at this picture. This is quite a good picture here. So you've got what looks like a man and a lady having a soak in the bathtub. Really good. I like all the finishing touches to the place. Really good. And then you've got another little dressing table in here and a chair beneath. With mirror, some tissues and some wipes just there. And in the corner we've got a speaker, so it looks like you can probably play the sound from the TV or something for whilst you're having a bath. Again, more radiators. This is a pretty similar layout to the living room as far as the doors and windows go. Looking out onto that same balcony with those stunning views. So carrying on looking around the bathroom, you have a nice big chair here for relaxing in. Maybe you've just got out of the bath or the shower and you just want to look at that view. You've got a nice big chair there to sit and do that in. And as we come around here, you've got yourself actually a large TV. And I guess some certain angles in here. So if you're sitting in that bath, you may be able to see it. I guess you can. Yeah, decent size as well. And then you've got your remote for it just there. And then check out the size of this. Look at these. These are the showers. Let's go around the other side so we haven't got the reflection from the glass. Just there you've got your two dressing gowns and slippers in each one as well. Then you've got your towel radiator and a selection of towels. And then as we come around here, check out the showers. So you've got two rainfall showers in here. And then you've got the attachments there. So if you don't want to get your hair wet, you just want to use those, you can. And then just here, you've got a selection of products. You've got your face cloths there as well. And then you've got the exact same just there. So really finished really well. So two showers in that cubicle, really nice and big. Everything's finished so well here, absolutely fantastic. Now, so we did say it's a spa suite. What makes it a spa suite? It's got to be something more than just the bath. Well, let's show you. So as we come around here, still staying within the bathroom, you've got this first room just here. So in here, you've got your sauna. So it's only a small sauna, but bearing in mind the room only caters for 2 people, it's more than big enough. So just here, then you've got the sauna for 2 people. You've got your coals there. You've got your water down there in the corner to put on the coals when it's warmed up. And you've got your timer back there. And yeah, you've got room for 2 people in here. So all finished really well. So you've got your bath, you've got your sauna. And then as we come around this side, in this one, you've got your steam room. So not currently on, but we'll show you some footage of it all working. But yes, in here then, doesn't look much when it's all just switched off. It just looks like a little square room, but yeah, room in here again for 2 people, and you've got your bench here to sit on, and then you've got your controls just here, so you can switch on the steam. And so yeah, you've got your steam room here in the spa suite. You've got your sauna, and then you've got your bath, which is absolutely huge. You've got those stunning views, and then through here to the bedroom, you've got this really big bedroom. So that's the room then here at the spa suite at Gidleigh Park on Dartmoor National Park in Devon. We're going to go for dinner a little while later, and we'll show you some of the food and let you know what we thought to it. Also, there'll be breakfast in the morning as well. We'll let you know what that's like. And then hopefully tomorrow, if it's not raining, we'll head on outside and show you what's outside. It's all such fantastic countryside views around here. And there's a lot more to it than just inside the hotel. So hopefully the rain will ease off the minute it's getting heavier. But you never know, it might ease off, and we can take you outside and show you around. Well, it's the next morning here at Gidleigh Park in Devon, right here on Dartmoor National Park. And what did we actually think to it? Well, as you can see, it's absolutely stunning grounds here. The weather's not been that kind to us. It's been raining pretty much. It's just a bit of a break in the rain at the moment. So I thought we'd make the most of it and come out onto the balcony that we've got here. So we're about to head home. The room itself was absolutely fantastic. That bathroom with those twin showers, the sauna and the steam room was absolutely fantastic. And the bedroom, really big, that large sofa as well, really done to a high standard. Dinner last night was really good. We had a variety of things. We'll put the pictures on screen now for you to see those. But yeah, absolutely fantastic food here. We didn't do breakfast, we had a line instead. And now we're about to check out. So I hope you've enjoyed the video of the Gidleigh Park Hotel here in Devon. We've got more videos on our YouTube channel for the Devon area. So we'll put the links into the description below. So do take a look at that. We've got one literally just a few miles away at Bovey Castle here on Dartmoor, and also Borringdon Hall in Devon. So we'll link to those as well in the video. And if you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe and hit that notifications bell, and we will see you next time.